In this video, I'm taking an in-depth look on all the new features and changes when it comes to the AirPod Pros 3. Now, these were officially unveiled on September 9th, 2025 at Apple's event. And it's not just a few basic changes, there's actually a few major changes when it comes to the AirPods that you'll see in this video. Now, to start off, they actually refined fit and ergonomics. Basically, what this means is they redesigned for comfort and stability so that they don't move around as much just on your ears, and it's more optimized using scans in hundreds of ear shapes. And in addition to this, another big change when it comes to them is there's a huge upgrade when it comes to active noise cancellation. And some sources even claim the noise cancellation has actually doubled, which is insane if it is actually true, because on the prior AirPods, the noise cancellation was also really good. And these AirPods also have workout ready health sensors. What this means is they have heart rate monitoring just in the ear. It takes your pulse about 26 times per second, and it will basically track your workouts. There's over 50 workout types they have included. And this is all powered by their new AI called Workout Buddy Intelligence, which you can view within the AirPods, just accessing it from your phone. And there's also live translation, which means real-time language translation will actually built in, and it'll be very seamless for in-person communication. So if you're just talking to someone in a different language just in real life, you can basically understand immediately with no filler time in between, so you know how to communicate just super fast if you don't speak the same language. And of course, there's also a boost when it comes to the battery. Now, there's over 8 hours of listening with active noise cancellation turned on when it comes to using these, which is an upgrade from the previous model. And they're available for pre-order now, but they'll actually be generally released on September 19, 2025, with the cost ranging between $250 and $200. Now, when it comes to the early feedback and expectations, there's actually quite some buzz on these headphones, obviously, because it's from Apple. There's been quite a few concerns expressed when it comes to the active noise cancellation, and the 8-hour battery life alone makes it an instant buy for some people, but they're not sure about the sound quality improvements if there were any. But other sources say that new vents allow better airflow and deeper basses and wider sound stages, so you can basically get a more immersive experience when you're actually using these AirPods. And how it actually stacks up to the 2s versus the 3 AirPods is, of course, the battery life's way longer. There's a bunch of new features like the heart rate sensor and just monitoring your workout. It has built-in translation, so you can translate languages in real time, which the 2s and the 3 Gen non-pros did have. But if you are using the AirPod 2s, this update still offers a compelling reason to consider upgrading, especially if you're in love with the noise cancellation feature and really need this extended battery life and new health features for your AirPods. Otherwise, may or may not be worth upgrading.